So, what exactly are these? Well, you can think of them as high-strength clamps for securing building services. And because you're not drilling into any concrete, you completely get rid of hazardous silica dust, which, is a huge deal for site safety. Okay, first up, the advantages. The real game changer here is that it's zero impact. Since you're clamping instead of drilling, you don't damage the decking or mess with the building's fire integrity. Plus, they're fully certified, quick to put in, and you don't need any specialist labor to get everything lined up perfectly. Second, let's talk about who's doing the work and what you'll need. If you're the contractor, safety's on you. You'll need the right wedges and locking plates. And sure, grab your tape measure, level, and spanners, but the one tool you absolutely cannot skip is a properly calibrated torque wrench. It is absolutely essential. Finally, let's cover the right way to install and the common mistakes.
You'll start by pre-assembling the locking plate and the wedge on your threaded rod, making sure the flat surface is facing up. You slide that wedge right into the deck's dovetail, that's the re-entrant channel, and then you rotate it. You really want to feel those chamfered cams bite into the sides. Once it's seated, just slide the plate up to lock the whole thing in place.
Timing is everything. You can only install these after the concrete has reached its full strength. Any sooner and you could actually deform the decking. Some major red flags: never apply sideways loads and don't use swivel joints. And remember that torque wrench? This is where it's non-negotiable. Over or under tightening puts the whole system at risk. Just stick to the manufacturer's guidelines, and you'll get a secure, adjustable installation with zero impact on the building.
Stick to those specs, and you'll have a hold you can trust.